Welcome to Planter Garden TV. I'm back with another video. How you guys doing? Alright guys, today what we're going to talk about is my bell pepper and the update of my bell pepper. This is definitely what I'm going to be talking about. It's something like the picking these leaves, something feed off of these leaves. Most of the times I just take these leaves and just pick them off and just put them to the bottom of the root. Now this bell pepper is actually growing in real full pace now. They're growing in full pace now, and we could see the height. They start picking the height. Usually most of these bell pepper gonna be 6, 7 to 8 feet tall. Most of these bell pepper. I'm gonna show you why I'm telling you that. If you notice, you're gonna see their height, and you're gonna see how they're shooting for the sky. They're already picking up the height. Instead of the spread, they're shooting up. What they're gonna start doing pretty soon is start spreading. So when you see your bell pepper is going up tall before it spread, know that it's gonna be a massive bell pepper tree. Sometimes your bell pepper starts spreading on the ground. They ain't get nowhere, but they already start spreading. That's gonna be a more wider plant. Once you see this shooting up in the sky like this, before they spread, yes, you know you're gonna have real massive, tall bell pepper plant. So basically, this bell pepper was like, I'm gonna tell you, this thing was like about 18 inches a few days ago, and you could see that they're over 2 feet now. These are over 2 feet. This one, all of them over 2 feet, heading for 3 feet. And we ain't even reached summer yet. So we reach heading for 3 feet and we're not in summer yet. Look at this one here. This one already 3 feet tall. So we already know this is gonna be a massive bell pepper tree, pretty tall. If you notice, you see I already have the stake. Yes, this plant's gonna be very, very tall. This one and those 3 over there and a couple of them up there. So once you see your bell pepper is like this without spreading in its young stage, yes, guarantee that they're gonna be tall bell pepper. All these bell pepper come from 8-foot bell pepper seed. The bell pepper seed that they come from, it was an 8-foot bell pepper tree. So the mother of these plants grow to 8 feet tall. So these have that dreams inside of them. The dreams, the potential of getting pretty tall. So now what I have to do, I'm gonna give you an update with me staking them. Maybe I might do that video tomorrow with me staking these bell pepper, because you see they're already growing. And if you don't stake them out, when the wind blow, it might pop a limb, and bell pepper limb is very easy to pop, and we don't want that. So tomorrow I might come, do some cleanup, and start working on these bell pepper. I already start putting on the stake them because I know it's necessary. I know how important it is to, I know every last one of them have on flowers. Every last one of them have on flowers. Let me show you one right here. This one here, this is an Italian sweet pepper. This one here, this is an Italian sweet pepper. Loaded with pepper already. Look how big this one is. Massive already. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna save the biggest one I'm gonna save the seed. All right, but this is another one gonna be pretty tall. This is gonna be pretty tall, and it's gonna produce a lot of pepper. Looking its early stage, how much pepper it got on, this indicate that this pepper will produce a lot of pepper during the garden season. So thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, support this channel however you can. I will truly appreciate. Share the video, guys. Share the video. Leave a comment, hit the like button. Thank you all.